Kia ora, my name is Dr. Tamara Birchall. I work as a trainee GP and I'm a doctor here at Ngāti Hine Health Trust. I've been a doctor now for almost 9 years. I lived over in Canada on a First Nations reservation and I saw like-minded Indigenous people wanting to serve their community, and so that was an inspiring moment for me as a 16-year-old. So I came back to New Zealand and went to a rural school and went from there to Auckland University to study medicine. It was always my intention to come back to the community and work in a rural area, and it's home as well. I am a vaccinator, so I'm on the ground working on the cold front, vaccinating our whānau and our community. I think Ngāti Hine has quite a vital purpose to serving our communities. We know our communities inside and out, particularly our rural, hard to reach areas, so I think we have a big role in serving. Yeah. We know our whānau, we know our communities on a ground level, on the cold front. I think we've worked pretty hard over the years to have close relationships with iwi, with whānau. In general, you know, we're here to service you, to help you be protected for your whānau, for yourselves and for your future generations. So no mai hara mai, and come down and see us here at the vaccination clinic. Yeah, we're here